Hi, my name is Jordan. Today I'll be showing you how to log into ArcGIS StoryMaps. First, you'll need to go to the StoryMaps website, which is storymaps.arcgis.com. Once there, you'll need to select the green Sign In button. Then you'll need to select the Enterprise Login. In the box provided by the website, type the letters IU, then select Continue. Then select the Indiana University box, which is blue in color. Then you'll need to log in with your IU credentials as if you were logging into your email or into the one.iu.edu system. You've now successfully logged into ArcGIS StoryMaps. From here, you can either create a new story map or access story maps that have been either shared with you by a collaborator or story maps that you've created on your own.